Today's a very special day. As you guys know, today's Dyno day, so we rented out a Dyno, and we're gonna go see what the stock Mustang makes. But first, we must get a car wash, and my favorite car wash, holiday special, you know. First, we must get our McDonald's. The McDonald's. What up, guys? We were at the infamous DB over here getting our cars down. We got the Stage 5 GTI with the Mustang. We got some other cars rolling up here, but we'll just see what Mustang should be. It's a really low reading dyno, so I'm gonna assume about 350 for the wheels on the Mustang. So I don't know. We need to get on a real dyno jet, but this is all for fun. So let's just see what we make. GTI strap down here. Look at this exhaust system here. Boy, melting his bumper already. Look how crooked that thing is. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Look at that exhaust. That's ridiculous. That angle though. I know. You know it's a slow car when it takes that long. What do you get? 377. Let's go. How are you doing? All right. We got 378. That's very consistent. I'm impressed. All right, boys. Mustang going in. Stock. It's just cold start. They start loud. Open up the nitrous.
Okay.
Okay. Stock mufflers. It should be interesting what the Mustang makes. Probably say like 420. Let's just see what happens, guys. The GoPro. That's the secret setup, guys. Don't copy me. He said 399.9.
Bro, put it in drive.
Wow. 397. Whoa. That's the horsepower. 399.8. Wow. Tonga's pretty close to 399.9. Dang. All right. Alrighty, boys. That's all the Mustang made today. 400 at DB. I think that's a good day at DB. I was expecting like 420, but it's okay. Not bad for stock 5.0. You look good in the GTI. I think you can get one. All right, this one's a big turbo manual. It's a little faster than me. A little faster than this GTI, so I'm gonna say like 450. 450 is manual, so you know. All right, we got the second fastest GTI in Minnesota here, boys. A 450 wheel, manual, big turbo. It's got port and direct injection, e85, all the good works. Damn, he's good at guessing. All right, pull number 2 here. I'm gonna guess he's gonna make 451 now. All right, so run him after he does a pull, you guys.
After the first pull, this man's done.
So not a bad day, you guys. We are using a Dyno Dynamics. It's not Dyno Jet. It's not a Mustang dyno. It's the dyno we're using today. So numbers are obviously going to vary a lot.
Half mile.